Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I'm giving some to you.
Delightful, juicy, tender, meaty. Hi, it's been a minute. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and my name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting, guys. For sure. We are happy. And today Angie is going to take us through something. I'm also excited. I don't know what it is.
Today we are going to make a kind of kebab. It's Egyptian. They are called Kofta kebabs. They're very juicy. Yeah, not too spicy, but very flavorful. So what we have here is minced meat. Make sure at least you get one that is high in fat. Can be beef, but it has to be high in fat. Then we have some cayenne, we have salt, we have cumin powder, black pepper, we have onions, and we have garlic and cilantro. So when you grate your onions, I think this is key. You need to sieve out all the juices because you don't want those juices in there. Otherwise, your kebabs will break apart. They'll come apart as you are baking them or grilling them. Yeah, so we already sieved out the water and we are going to combine all the ingredients. It's very easy, by the way. So, Chef Cathy, let's go in with our mince. Yeah, you can, if you prefer, you can use lamb. You can use lamb because it is very high in fat. It has very good fat quantity.
Do we need more?
Yes, you can put all the onions. Very good, beautiful. Then
a little bit of black
garlic.
garlic.
Yes. Oh, a little bit. Okay. Yes. Little bit of garlic. Then black pepper. Black pepper.
Very lovely.
You like black pepper?
So much.
And then paprika. Then some salt. Some salt in there. Cumin.
So how do they usually serve this?
So you can serve it with some flat bread, like maybe pita bread or some naan, or you can serve it with basmati rice. Yes, so yeah. Then to finish off our mixture, we're going to add some chopped cilantro. Plenty of it. I like the flavor that comes. I like it. Yeah, so in goes our cilantro. We give it a good mix. So what we have here are 2 skewers. So you get 2 skewers, put them together to form, we want to form like a kind of flattish shape, flattish thing. So you cover them, wrap them up in foil, and that is where we are going to put our kebabs.
Okay.
Yes, so dip your fingers in oil and just make a bowl. About 100 grams will do. Yeah, some more. Yeah, so you make a bowl, then get your skewer and kind of form like a pattern, like a cylindrical pattern onto your skewer. Use your thumb and your other fingers. Don't give up. Sometimes it looks like it wants to fall apart. Please don't.
I feel like you really need to be patient as you work on
What I is going to say.
You don't have to be in a hurry.
Yes.
Or else they won't be the same size.
Yes. And yet if they are not the same size, they will not cook evenly. Yeah. So what happens after this process, we are going to put them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes so that they can firm up, and then we'll grill them. You can grill or bake them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius.
Or yeah.
So Chef Cathy, this is how our kebabs
Smell delicious.
Yes, kofta kebab, very easy to make. And
Did you put and glaze on them?
yes, I just glaze them with some butter. We're going to serve ours with some naan. Yeah, the some butter naan. So what we'll do, okay, just use some vegetables as well.
Are we going to make like a sandwich?
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Yes.
Yep. It's like the freshness of the vegetable.
The vegetables. It reminds me of
And the naan looks good.
the naan does look good. Yes. We'll have a session on naan. Eh?
Oh, sure. I can't wait for that one.
You can't wait for that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll season with some salt.
Okay.
And then these will gently come off as skewers, as you can see. This is,
So I'm just supposed to fold that in.
yes, please, and bite into it.
Imagine.
And
Yeah.
yes, so we have a sauce. Just yeah.
Angie,
Yeah.
like you're doing the most today.
I'm sorry.
I'm jealous.
Yes, so just put a sauce there for moisture.
Guys, you can choke and swallow right now. Is that it?
This is it. Yeah, so we are done, and I think our role right now is very simple, just to dig in, and we'll tell you this is such an adventurous way of eating.
Guys,
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
yeah, I'm giving some to you.
Yeah. It's messy, I'm telling you, but it's very nice, delightful, juicy, tender, meaty.
And in Luganda, I would say, Angie, ochkoloja. By the way, this was delicious, guys. So for more of this, check our channel, link in the bio.
Yep.
For all the recipes.
Yep.
And we can't wait to see you at the 7-Star Culinary Institute for our August intake.
Yes, please.
People are registering. Hurry up because the next will be January.
Yes.
So the time is now. For diploma, certificates, short courses, say it. Yeah, we are ready for you. So until next time, peace out.